My name is Dr. Joshua Wanyama. I'm the principal investigator for this project titled Development of a Green Low-Cost Hand Wash Technology, popularly known as the TW-20 kit for public shared places. This project is implemented by Makerere University with funding from Government of Uganda through the Makerere Research and Innovation Fund. The partners in this project are the College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences, College of Health Sciences, and Badaye Technologies Limited. The TW-20 kit was developed as a responsive technology to the COVID-19 pandemic fight, arising from the need to limit contact with surfaces while ensuring diligent hand hygiene. TW is an acronym that signifies touchless wash, and 20 signifies the 20 seconds that are minimally recommended by the World Health Organization for effective hand washing with soap. The TW-20 kit project is unique in a number of ways. It is a touchless and pedalless technology. It has audio-guided user interaction during hand washing in customized languages. It has remote monitoring, digital communication, and daily use data transmission via the TW-20 view. It is frugal with good soap and water use metrics. It's a green technology that uses solar energy with AC mains as backup. It's a low-cost technology. It is a technology that is appropriate for public shared places like markets, hospitals, schools, restaurants, churches, and most importantly, it is a technology that is proudly made in Uganda. So far, 15 kits have been fabricated and distributed to 2 academic institutions, 7 hospitals and health centers, and 6 markets.
Once again, let me take this opportunity to thank Badaye University, Insula, for choosing to work with us and for choosing to donate to us this hand sanitizer. No, we are also starting doing this kind of thing. Okay. And I can see it is solar powered. That means energy is renewable, and we are going to use it for a more longer time than if it was solar powered. So let me hear from the team leader from Mak-RIF University. Then we shall hear from the faculty.
Thank you very much. My name is Prosina Kauka, Dr. Prosina Kauka from Badaye University, Department of Agriculture and Biosystems Engineering. So this is an initiative by the government. We have some research fund at the university that we applied to, and the government was able to give us money to come up with other technologies. It's not only this one, there are other technologies the university is doing. So what this one does, it's for washing hands, especially during this season of COVID. And it's touchless, meaning you don't have to turn a towel or to squeeze a bottle to get soap or water or anything. And we are trying to prevent that would-be spread of COVID through touch involved water of hand washing equipment. So we are a team from the university and a company called Badaye Technologies. Together we were able to come up with this technology.
We have a switch. This switch is for turning it on and off. So when you turn it on, you hear that beeping sound. So meaning it is ready for use. So you're supposed to place your hands. So when you place your hands, it's supposed to give you soap. So it gives you soap.
Wash your hands with soap as you wait.
To tell you to wait for water. Then you just follow what it says. Then it will give you the water. Then in our system, it will record that is one hand wash done. We shall receive that. So every day we can know the total number of people who have washed their hands. It has a 20-liter jerry can and it has a 10-liter jerry can for liquid soap. So with the 20 jerry can, it gives you over 100 hand washes before refill. For a 10-liter jerry can of soap, it will give you over 500 hand washes before refill. This is the 20-liter jerry can is for water. Then this jerry can is for liquid soap. So now for this liquid soap, for every 2.5 liters of liquid soap, you top up with the water to make it dilute. So if you are going to refill, you just open it. You just tilt it, then you do the refill. If you have a pipe, you just place the pipe here. It's the same thing that happens. You don't have to pull out the entire jerry can. It doesn't come out. You're not supposed to remove the entire system. Then the same thing happens for the soap.
Come on, just
Take a feel of the...
Wash your hands with soap as you wait for water. Place your hands for water.
that's nice.
It is my pleasure and honor to unpack, and I have the pleasure to hand over the kits to our partners in health training, with whom we have been training health workers for the last 98 years in the Labo Hospital. All this is being done by the people of Uganda so that we can also be able to give back to help develop our country. And we are beginning to do that, and I know many more innovations are going to come out. With the Badaye coming on board, what we are supposed to be doing in hundreds and thousands of them, and we are going to do that. That the situation could get out of hand. As we see, the numbers are increasing. For 3 months, we were seeing people dying all over the world and nobody in Uganda had died. Now, the number is increasing. So we must be very careful, and I want to call upon you to actually be on the front line of ensuring that we don't deteriorate further. Some of the measures that we have increased here is to close all the gates so that people can pass only through one gate where they can be monitored. We have banned all physical meetings. We don't know when the world will overcome COVID-19. We hear about very many vaccine trials in Russia and America, and you are not following up the vaccine which is being developed in Uganda. Please get interested in what we are doing. The government should begin buying these, giving you money to produce these on a commercial scale, so that they are everywhere in all the hospitals, all the health centers. When the schools open, all the schools should have these in several tens of them. Mak-RIF should have one of these at every building. So let me once again thank the PI, thank the Badaye, and thank RIF for this contribution, for this innovation, which is extremely important at this particular time. But please continue improving so that together we can save our population and ensure the health of our population. Congratulations.
With the current progress on hand hygiene, we have reported a need to increase the number of kits installed and scale out to different points within the country. As such, we need a hand from different development partners and the Research and Innovation Fund to expand our collective impact in the COVID-19 fight. The scope for further improvement will focus on different aspects of the TW-20 kit. Regarding the hardware, the areas of improvement include scalability, where we want to focus on increasing the tank storage with the capability for having several users at a time. We want to focus on improving the mobility of the kit by attaching wheels and ensuring that the kit is easy to move from one location to another. We want to focus on making the kit easy to refill. We want to work on water optimization such that we can have the wastewater being reused again in the kit, So the concentration will be on wastewater treatment, recycling and reuse. We also want to focus on the TW-20 kit power optimization. We want to also focus on the issues of security and also material optimization to ensure that we bring down the cost of the TW-20 kit. Our target is to bring down this kit to about 500,000 shillings. Regarding the software aspect, we want to focus on optimization of the TW-20 View platform and also improve data transmission, dissemination, and data security protocol for the TW-20 View. In respect to research, we would like to conduct further research on the level of hand hygiene, adherence, and contributing factors. We want to do further research on designing of tailored hand hygiene decision support tools, modeling the risk of public exposure to the contagious diseases, and also technological advancement of the TW-20 kit to have capability to monitor other critical public health parameters like temperature, like indoor and outdoor air quality. And also want to do further research on integrating the TW-20 kit with point of use wastewater treatment and reuse. I thank you so much and look forward to improving the TW-20 kit and contributing to the COVID-19 pandemic fight. Thank you.